We also have a new phaser, pitch and modulation. Phaser Flanger. Let's load this one up and solo this track. So it's combined with the flanger, and we also have this doubler element here. There you can properly hear the doubler effect. It's kind of nice for electronic music. If you're playing these patterns and you're playing it throughout 8 bars or 16 bars, you put that thing in and it keeps getting interesting, or you keep the track interesting that way. So we have a doubler now, a flanger, and a phaser in this phaser flanger thing. And Ableton is saying the phaser has a new lusher sound with increased frequency and modulation ranges. The existing earth and space modes have been completely rewritten to be more expressive, and the new doubler introduces a short and modulatable delay.